Hi guys, this is Nadia. Welcome back to my channel. This is like the least professional setup ever. I'm not a professional. I'm just a mom who likes nail polish and stuff. So anyways, today I just wanted to talk to you quickly. They're cutting the grass outside, or picking up leaves, or doing something, I don't know. So if you hear some humming noises or my dog barking, that would be the reason why. And sorry about the sniffles, I have allergies. So I wanted to talk to you about this box from, this is the Manny Love box. I already opened it, so that's why the sticker keeps coming out, from SoyMagnifiscents. Magnificent. Anyways, so I really like hand care and nail care items, and I got some of these items already as a gift from SoyMagnifiscents herself. So this is, well, let me start over. So SoyMagnifiscents is actually a mom and daughter duo. And they make these, they make candles, they make hand products, nail care products, they make wax products, they make a whole bunch of stuff that smells good, essentially. So they've got these little boxes. These are the mini Manny Love boxes, because the size, some of the sizes are smaller in the boxes. And I think they've got regular Manny Love boxes, which are bigger. I think this is $15. I bought this myself because I think they're super cute. So this one is in the scent Jack Frost. I can't remember the scent description right now. I've been meaning to show this product on my channel here for a while, but I always keep forgetting to, because you need some water and I need to show you how it works. And that was kind of awkward to do with my previous camera, because I couldn't zoom out far enough or whatever. I had some black nail polish on, and I don't know if you can see. Let me see if I manage to. There's just a little bit of, well, you can't really see that much, but there's just like a little bit of residue that's still stuck. So what I want to show you about this is this amazing product that SoyMagnifiscents does called Manny Sand. And that is the main reason why I wanted to show this off. Because not only does she make products that smell good, this product is really amazing for when you have stained nails from like nail polish. In my case, my nails get stained a lot from working with nail polish in the making process. I work with a lot of pigments. I do wear gloves, but there's still some acetone exposure and some pigment exposure, and they still get rough, which is why these nails look like this on my other hand. I try to protect these 4 nails, which are my swatching nails, but then all my other fingers are like suffering right now. So the goal here is to get these other fingers to match these fingers. So anyway, so this product is really good, and I'm gonna do a small demonstration. It kind of foams up. It's not just a scrub. It foams up a little, and you can use it to clean any pigment or like stained nails. So, you know, when especially if you use stamping polishes a lot like I do, if you use them as a base color, especially, sometimes it will stain your nail, or it will stain your skin if it's dry around the. If you have dry skin issues like I do, I have eczema and psoriasis in other parts of my body, and I get a lot of flaky skin and calluses or whatever, and I don't know if you can even see that. I'm going to try and zoom in, because I keep trying to show you guys. So I don't know if you can see how there's like black stains left over. And this is after I scrubbed my nails with acetone several times to get that off. Obviously the acetone has dried my skin. So this is also a moisturizing product. The other stuff that's included in the box, there is a lotion in the same scent. It is a lotion bar. It is really nice and really soft. And the way you want to use this, you're going to use this Manny Sand first. Then I would use this other product called Manny Silk, which is sort of like a cuticle butter kind of thing. It's very nice and soft as well. White balance is freaking out. There we go. It's sort of like a cuticle butter. It's very nice and soft. You just need a teeny tiny bit, and it will moisturize your cuticles. See, I just barely touched it, and already my cuticles would make your cuticles look a lot better. And then I would apply the lotion bar, which is in these heart-shaped lotions, and it's also very soft and very moisturizing, and you can just apply it in your whole hand or your whole body, wherever this is good for. So the box, for at least during the holiday period, they are decorated like this, which I thought was very cute. And it shows how to use your Manny Sand. The ingredients, wax, coconut virgin oil, organic coconut virgin oil, phthalate-free premium fragrance oil, citric acid, and sodium bicarbonate. And then for the Mani Silk ingredients as well, in case you're allergic to anything. These are all up on the website. And for the lotion bar, it's fragrance oils, basically coconut oil and wax. So keep that in mind if you're allergic to anything. She can custom make scents for you. For example, I'm allergic to lavender essential oils, so I would not, or grapeseed oil, so I would not be able to use anything with those oils in it. And so if you need something that's custom made, she will happily do that for you. So, and here are the instructions on how to use the Mani scent. Basically, it will, what you're going to do is wet your hands, take a very small amount into each nails, and then you gently rub it in with warm water, you work it into a lather, and then you rinse your hands. I use it about once a week. Obviously, if I were swatching like I used to, or like, more often and doing several polishes a day or kind of thing. Or, I can't even talk today, guys. I'm so tired. Not even several if you were doing several swatches a day, or you're doing a lot of polishes in a row, and your hands are stained or whatever, then you might use it more often. I usually use it about once a week, especially when my hands are just feeling really rough and dry and need a little bit of extra moisture. So I'm going to go get some water and do a quick demonstration, get some warm water and do a quick demonstration of how this works. Okay, so I'm at a different angle, so hopefully you can see. So this is very simple. Obviously you would do this in a sink. I'm just doing it with the water bowl for the demonstration purposes. So I've got some warm water. You would wet your hand as one would if one were using water, to open this up. You just need a little bit. That's probably too much. Just a little bit. And then I would just place, she said a pea-sized amount. I'm sort of making a mess here. And you just do that. So, and then you would just rub it in. I'm going to do my other hands. Anyways, I used to have this whole segment called Breaking the Biting Habit, where I would photograph my hands so you can see the progress. I started my blog called Mom Hearts Polish because, well, I like nail polish, but also because I was trying to grow my nails out and stop myself from biting them. So I did a lot of damage to my nails, especially on my right hand. There's a lot of damage done to the side walls, and they don't really grow well or how they're supposed to anymore. So anyways, rubbing that in. So I've managed to get these nails to grow nice and healthy again. But then on all my other nails, I do keep biting my thumbnails when I get anxious. Hello, I have anxiety disorder. I don't know if I've mentioned that. I have general anxiety disorder and depression, which is something I deal with anyway, so I do bite my hands. Oh, bite my nails. I can't talk today, guys. I'm very anxious today because of something else going on in my life, which is stupid. And health insurance issues. So I'm just very anxious right now. So I can't even talk right now. Anyway, so yeah, I would use a small nail brush to like get at these corners. There's still some left here, some pigments that are stuck there in the corner. But for the most part, you can see how nice my hands look. Let me dry them off and I'll be back. Okay, so I am back now. I've cleaned up and dried my hands, and I guess I'll zoom in the post-editing, see if you can see how my nails are nice and clean right now, and moisturized. So I'm not going to use a little bit, yeah, there it is, a little bit of the Mani Silk. This is also in the scent Jack Frost. You can order these products individually if you wanted to. If you wanted to have like different scents, in this case the box comes with all three things in the same scent. So I just apply a little bit of this. All I'm doing is barely touching it, and my own body heat makes it melt. And then I just apply. And that is all. I find this product to be extremely moisturizing, and you just need a little bit. And it doesn't stay super greasy. It absorbs really fast. So you just need a little bit, and it can get on with swatching. And then the other thing I would do is apply the hand lotion. This is upside down. Same thing, I just use my hands and my own body heat. And then I would just, well, the hand body lotion, well, you can't even see that on camera. But, you know, I would just apply elsewhere in my body. It's a little less intense in moisture than the Mani-Silk is, which is obviously meant for your hands. Let me zoom out. So those are the products from SoyMagnifiscents. I'll leave their link down below in case you're interested. This is not sponsored. This is not... Why are you not on camera? This is not sponsored. This is not promoted in any way. I purchased these products myself. That looks kind of weird. And that looks kind of weird, but anyway, these are the products. Oh, what I was trying to say earlier about my nails on this hand. So I used to have this whole segment on my blog that was about how I got these nails to grow. Basically by just painting them every day up with nail polish, polishing them every single day. And that's how I started my blog, polishing my nails and doing nail art and really short reviews and swatches. And it helped me stop biting these nails. But then because of my anxiety, I keep biting these other nails. And then because of the damage I've done to the side walls, especially on these sides, I would bite the sides of my nails and not so much the top. Which means that I've done a lot of damage, and it's been hard to get these other nails to grow. And when I'm anxious, I still bite my thumbs. So that is something I'm going to be working on. If you want to see the progress of these other nails as I get them to grow and stop biting them, if that might be helpful to you, if you're a nail biter or trying to stop biting nails, or you have very short, brittle nails or whatever, then I can also incorporate sort of a hand care and how to stop biting your nails series or video or anything. Let me know in the comments if that's interesting to you. I bit my nails for 20-something years, so it is possible. Like I said, it's still a work in progress. It's always going to be a work in progress, but let me know if that's something that's interesting to you. Anyways, like I said, this is the Mani Love Box. I think this is a mini Mani Love Box. I think it was about $15 at SoyMagnifiscents, and I will leave their links down below, SoyMagnifiscents.com. So thank you so much for watching. Bye.